Hi, welcome to Plants and Produce. My name's Andy and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, we are still doing these videos. It's been a while since we did the last one when we did our singing one. And honestly, there's not a huge amount happened since then. It's just a case of harvesting all the vegetables and starting up some more plants. But today is the first day where it's actually only going to be 70 today, so the weather has cooled down dramatically. It was 95 yesterday, which all the plants struggled again yesterday, and now it's 72 today as a high. So it's a much better day. So we're back in the greenhouse again, just getting set up for winter. We've already been planting stuff on for the last few weeks now, just so we have a continued supply of tomatoes and lettuces and all that type of stuff. The one that's going to let us down badly is going to be the peppers, because they never really got going. They're going now, they never really got going. So we've already got the first 3 sets of tomatoes up and going, which Gabriella will show you in a minute as we walk around, but we're about to start a few more, just so we've got them continually for sort of January, February mark. So same process as we've always done, a mixture of compost. I'm using slightly bigger pots this time rather than the little 50 cell trays. They're not much bigger, but they're a little bigger. So question I had is, I've got a variety of tomatoes that I bought in a sort of a selection pack, but I was questioning on who comes up with these names. So I mean, I fully understand the homestead. I mean, it's just a homestead tomato. The San Moritz, I mean, I get that because it's a paste type tomato. The beefsteak, yep, I get that one. Jubilee, which is just a yellow type tomato. The Roma, which is a standard tomato. But then, why Rio Grande? I mean, is it some sort of river or what? I fully get the striped paste, because that's exactly what it is. Black cherry, it is what it says on the packet. Kellogg's breakfast. Does it taste like cornflakes? I mean, what type of tomato is this? And then pink ox heart. I mean, a tomato called pink ox heart. But anyway, we'll plant about 6 seeds of these in each little one of these till we get going, because they're pretty small. And then we'll start back on the incubation box. And I'm putting 2 seeds in every tray. And at this time of the year, I would hope for a 50% germination rate. And as these are different, I'll cover those up in a minute, but I will put the seed packet down here so I don't forget which one it is. And then we'll do some black cherry. But we'll do all varieties at the moment and see how we go. Now these are tiny seeds, but you would expect that because this is a cherry tomato. There's 3 in that one, that'd be fine. And I'll cover those up in a minute and we'll finish those off. The other thing that we're going to do slightly different is I ended up getting a pretty cheap seed pack collection of different lettuces. So comes in different varieties of Paris Island, Black Seeded, Prize Head, Red Ramon, Iceberg, Lolo Rosa, Oak Leaf and Ruby Red. But the difference we're going to do this year is we're going to use the the flower tower because this is finished now, and then we're going to plant this up with different lettuces on each one of as you go down. And again, I don't want to thin these out unless I have to. So we're just going to be very sparingly as we go in here. As we go down, and obviously gently cover them with some damp compost, and we'll just see which one comes up the best. We will be planting up some more herbs as well, so we've got some herbs for winter. We have some that are going at the moment, but they're a long way off, so we'll just start some more ones going. So what's been going on in here? So over in the corner here, this is our third set of tomatoes that are this high. They're just starting to get some flowers on them. As we go backwards, our dahlias are over here and they're just starting to get up. They'll start budding up before long. We have our petunias, the new sets of petunias, the vine type petunias that are growing up and just started to flower now, but they should go most of winter. We've saved the petunias from outside and we bought them inside, so hopefully we'll keep these going as long as we possibly can. Down here we have our random tomatoes that were our spares, so we'll do something with those or we'll throw those away. We've started our zucchini. Going up in hanging baskets this year, so we can keep that going. The basil in the back is still going away. There's some more flowers coming up here. We've got some snapdragons, some sunflowers, some marigolds. We still have a tomato plant that's going away. We've just started the cucumber plants going, so we can have some cucumbers over the winter. The peppers in the back here, we had a failure with this one here, but the rest of them are all going. We've got some bell peppers, banana peppers, is mostly what we eat. We have convinced the daffodil that it's spring again, so hopefully that'll be flowering over the winter time. This is our second set of tomatoes in the back here, so they're up about here now. And then if you look across over there, the first set of tomatoes that we planted are now getting up to the ceiling and they've already got tomatoes on them, so they'll be getting ready to go before long. And then we have a tray of cabbages down the bottom there that some will plant out and some will keep going. So the dahlias outside are just about done, so we started just picking them rather than leaving them outside. We had the last of the sunflowers. There's a few more outside, but we're growing some more in here now. The peppers outside, which Gabriella will take a quick video of in a minute, they haven't pulled those up yet. They got plenty of peppers on them, and we'll pick those and strip those out in the next couple of days. And then the nasturtiums are the ones that have loved this colder weather overnight, so they've really got going. So till this all comes seeded up again and we have another video probably in a couple of weeks, we will see you then, and don't forget to like and subscribe.